Hey Mark, Racer Rob down here at Integrity Auto Care, and here's your update on your 96 Chevy S-10 with the 2.2 liter, your valve lifter noise. Here's the update, my friend. We tried our very darndest to get this lifter to loosen up by flushing out the oil system. Used a special chemical. Unfortunately, the noise did not go away. It was actually getting louder, so that made me very nervous. So what we did was, in order to get to that lifter, we had to pull the, oh wow, this is a great camera. Ooh, I gotta say, the Samsung's looking a little better than my iPhone, Christy. We might have to do something with this. So anyways, took the head off. And the good news is that your pistons look good, your cylinder bores look awesome, heavier. My awesome surgeon here, brain surgeon, is going to clean that all up, make that look awesome. We went ahead and checked one step further, and unfortunately, when that lifter went bad, it also took out your camshaft. Darn it. You'll notice that on that lobe, it's definitely damaged. So yeah, compared to the others, not looking too hot, my friend. So it's going to need a new camshaft. Good news is Christmas came early for you, Mark. This motor is going to be like brand new. We're going to do the head gasket set here. The timing chain, since we're in there, it's not much more expensive to put a brand new chain on there with the gears. There's your sparkly new camshaft right there. That's pretty cool. And once again, here's a look at the old roller cams and the new ones there. So you're getting new lifters, camshaft, timing chain set, all the oil change, of course, coolant flush, head bolts, all that brand new stuff. So pretty much, you know me, I'm always looking for the positive. Your lower end looks awesome on the motor, and we're pretty much going to get rid of that lifter noise with the newer camshaft, lifters, and all that good stuff. And the good news is I'm going to have this thing done for you by the time you guys get back for your from your awesome Thanksgiving family vacation. So that, my friend, is the news. We're going to get rid of that lifter noise, keep it from damaging your motor even more. So once again, Racer Rob and the crew at Integrity Auto Care over and out. Take care.